have you ever made any money online before? If I go ahead and click on the comment, most people here are saying no, which means there are a lot of people that have never earned any money online. That's why today in this video I'm going to talk about 5 random ways or 5 random methods that you can use to make money online. This is part 2. Remember, I already made the part 1, so you can do well to check it out. I made the part 1 of this particular series, so this is the part 2 of this particular series. 5 ways or 5 different methods you can use to make money online. They are not related. You can choose any one you like and give it a try, and I'm not guaranteeing you that this might work for you, because some of these methods might not be available in your location. Some of them might require some extra things that you might not be able to afford, but just go through them and check the one you like. And I'm also going to share one of my favorites I've been using lately, and it has been actually amazing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video. Do want to subscribe to my channel so you can get more content from me. And I also want to take this time to appreciate all my community members. If you're subscribed to this channel, if you're a returning viewer, thank you very much, man. I really appreciate you guys for being there and for being active in this particular community. And if you're a new person here, you're welcome. Do want to join the community, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on that thank you button right there and support the channel. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. So let's get started. So recently I just ordered a new sound card online on Temu recently, and I'm going to show you the one I ordered on Temu. And the one I ordered right here on Temu is this one they call Focusrite Scarlet. I just purchased it on Temu. It's actually for 2 people. You can see that it's for 2 people. Temu is selling this product for around 63,000 naira for bonus. You understand? This is actually a promo offer, and if you want to buy it on the normal price, this is over 129,000. But guess what? Do you know that if you go on Google right now and search for this particular product on Jumia or on Gigi, let's search for it, this product is being sold for over 317,000 naira, on 317, 200,000. You can see a lot of them. This one is even going for 400,000 with some additional equipment right here, and you can see some of them right here. So this means that if you can buy this particular product on Temu for cheap price, you can sell it on platforms like Jumia and Gigi, or you can actually retail it on your own store, and you can make a lot of profit from this. I know most of you will say products on Temu are not real. No, they're actually real. It depends on how you actually sort them out. I have actually made purchases on Temu a lot of times. I've purchased a lot of things from Temu, and I've gotten the exact product I ordered for, right? So you can order a product on Temu and get it. But in case you don't know how to buy the right product on Temu, and you want me to make a video on how you can actually purchase products the right way on Temu, just comment Temu in the comment section, and I'm going to take my time to make a video. If I have up to 20 comments or 15 comments that comment Temu, I'm going to make a video for you guys showing you how you can buy product the right way on Temu, and you can buy it cheap, and how you can also sell it and make more money for yourself. This is the first side hustle on my list today. So tell me in the comment section if you're going to try this out. So just share your thoughts in the comment section. The second side hustle on my list today, if you want to raise money to buy phone, this is like a fundraiser. So I found this platform right here. They call it Family, right? And this particular Family is a platform that allows you to raise money. Maybe you're sick, maybe you want to buy something. You can see maybe you have a pressing need, maybe school fees. You can raise money with this particular platform. You can use this particular platform to ask for help. And these people, they say that if you raise a certain amount of money on this platform, that they are going to add a certain amount of money to you for completely free. For example, if you can raise 1 million naira on their platform, they're going to add 100,000 naira for you for completely free right here. So check this out and tell me what you think. The third side also on my list here, this is the one that can help you to monetize any audience possible. For example, with this particular platform right here, they call it monetize. You can actually start monetizing any audience of your choice. Even if you have a website, you can use money tag right here to monetize. They have an option right here, they call it short links, which you can also use to make some money for yourself. I mean, it's one of the easiest I've actually seen recently. There are a lot of them like this, but it's also one of the easiest I've also seen recently. Can check this out. This is not a full tutorial. Money tag right here can help you to monetize any audience of your choice, right? Like I said, it could be WhatsApp groups through their short links, it could be Telegram channels, it could be Telegram bots, and so on and so forth. And talking about Telegram bots, let me know in the comment section if you like me to create a video step by step on how you can build a Telegram bot for yourself, or how you can create Telegram mini apps for yourself. Telegram mini apps are very important too. People are using it to make money a lot, you understand? So just let me know if you want me to do something like that. If I can get like 20 comments commenting mini apps in the comment section, I'm going to take my time to create that particular video to show you guys how you can create a Telegram mini app and how you can make money from that. Just let me know in the comment section. So speaking about apps, do you know that if you come down to this app right here called Trove, that Trove lets you buy stocks from the stock market? So you can invest here in different stock markets, and you can also invest in the Nigerian stock market, Metaverse. You can see Nigerian stocks, you can see green energy. I think green energy has Tesla in it and the rest. So you can buy foreign stocks, you can buy Nigerian stocks, and you can invest in the stock market with Trove. So it's actually a very, very nice platform. I've been using it for years now, and so far Trove has been fantastic. You can actually check it out. I'm going to drop it down for you to check it out, but I've made a step-by-step tutorial about this already. I already made a video about Trove, so do well to check it out, or you can just comment the video and I can send it for you in the comment, or just do well to check it out on my channel. So this is another side hustle you can go for, but the stock market is actually risky, so you have to consult a professional that will guide you on how you can go about it. That is the fact, you understand? The market does fluctuate, it's not stable. It can actually go up and it can also come down, so do well to do a little research. I have shares on Stanbic Bank, FCNB Bank, UBA Bank, JT Bank. I have shares on a lot of companies using this particular app here. I mean, there are a lot of stockbrokers that are just like this, but I've been using this. This was the easiest for me as a complete beginner because I could understand very, very well how it actually works with Trove. So do want to check it out and tell me what you think in the comment section. Now, speaking of the stock market, I told you guys that I have an AI bot right here that I've been using for months now. I think 2-3 months, right? That has been helping me to trade the stock market automatically for me. I've been using this bot for some time now, and I have actually talked about it a lot. I've talked about it a lot. This is especially for people that are in my WhatsApp group and my Telegram channel. I post it a lot. Now, this particular bot right here is called VIV stock. The thing is that I've been using VIV stock for some months now, maybe 2 or 3 months now, and it has been amazing. Now, I know some of you will ask, what's the difference between VIV stock and Trove? Now, the first difference is that VIV stock only trade the foreign stock market. They don't trade anything in Nigeria. So what they trade is just Tesla, Nvidia, they trade Apple, they trade Meta. I'm going to recommend you check out the tutorial. I made a tutorial. It's actually free. So I made a free tutorial. Check it on cirrden.com/solidpicturestv, cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. But please, based on when you're watching this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just the things that have actually worked out for me, and these are some side hustles that are available. Before you try any of them, just do a little research based on when you're watching this video to know if these particular platforms or if any of these is still available in your location. And there is no guarantees. It might work out for you, it might not work out for you, but just let me know what you think.